Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to write glass text in Photoshop which you can use on your images. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import the image. And the link of this image is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. First I want to crop the image. Now before applying the text, I want to make it little bit adjustments. Now select the type tool, click here and then write your text. Press Ctrl T to resize the text. This is perfect. Now double click here to open the layer style option. Here in the layer style panel, this is the bevel and emboss. Check this one. Make it style to inner bevel and increase its depth. Increase its size. Check the counter. Software depends on you where you want. Good texture. Yes. Press OK. Now what you need to do is to decrease its fill to 0, and here it is. You can now change its setting. About to you. Yes, by increasing depth, it looks more amazing. Press OK. So this is how that you can write the glass text on your image with a very simple way in Photoshop. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.